Today, we are making a vibrant, creamy, and super healthy green goddess pasta. It's completely without onion, garlic, or oil, but packed with protein and flavor. This recipe is honestly a game changer. It's light yet satisfying, wholesome yet indulgent, and perfect for anyone looking for a nutritious twist on classic pasta. The creamy sauce gets its richness not from heavy cream or butter but from paneer, cashew, and walnut. So it's naturally high in protein and good fats. It's also quick to put together, making it a perfect weeknight dinner or even a power packed lunch. And the best part, you won't even miss the oil because the sauce is already so smooth, nutty, and full of flavor. Think of it as comfort food that also make you feel good after eating. Now let's get started with the star ingredient, broccoli. We will blanch our broccoli in warm salted water. Now this step is really important because blanching not only softens the broccoli but also helps reduce its raw earthy taste, making it sweeter and more palatable. Plus it keeps that bright fresh green color locked in. Once blanched, transfer the broccoli to a blender. To this, I am adding paneer for a natural protein boost, cashew and walnuts for that rich creaminess, a squeeze of lemon juice for freshness, and of course, some salt to balance everything. You can also customize by adding chili flakes if you like it spicy, or throw in some spinach or basil for extra greens and flavor. You can also add garlic if you are using. Now blitz this all together until it turns into a smooth, silky paste. For the pasta, I have gone with whole wheat shell pasta, my absolute favorite because it holds onto the sauce so well. Cook this until just al dente, meaning it still has a slight bite. Now in a pan, add your creamy broccoli sauce, loosen it up with a ladle of pasta water, then toss in your cooked pasta. Mix everything until each shell is beautifully coated in that green goodness. Finally, garnish with a little Parmesan or mozzarella, maybe some broccoli leaves, and a sprinkle of walnuts for crunch. And here is my personal touch. I actually love broccoli, but to make it more palatable, I like to sprinkle some chaat masala right before eating. Trust me, it takes the flavor to another level. So don't forget the final hit of chaat masala before you dig in.